Hi, welcome to my studio. My name's Kris. In this short video, I'm going to show you the unboxing of my brand new Porcelain watercolor palette. Let's get started. Hey everybody, welcome back to my studio. This is Kris. I just received in the mail today this brand new Porcelain palette for watercolor. And I wanted to give you a first look at it as I opened it. And so I'm gonna get out my knife here and get rid of this tape. You can see it was nicely packaged for safe shipping. Again, it is breakable, so that was important. So I was glad to see the nice shipping packaging that was all around this. Let's go ahead and get this thing open. All right, there we go. This porcelain palette is 7 inches by 7 inches square. It is made in China. And let's take a closer look at it. Yeah, it looks like it came all in one piece because it was well packaged, so I like that. No cracks, no broken edges, looking really good. Now, I really am a firm believer in using porcelain for my palettes if I can. I love porcelain. I like a white surface because my paints have their truest, I guess I can see their true color when the paints are on a white surface. And so that's important. Porcelain cleans up really well. It doesn't stain. It's nice and smooth. It's actually heavy, and so it doesn't move around when I've got my paintbrush, for example. And I'm, getting my paints and all moving around. This won't move on my desktop, which is important. And yeah, I just really like porcelain palettes. Now I have another one, and so you might want to check out my channel. I have a really large one, Stephen Quiller porcelain palette, sold by Jack Richardson. Love that palette. Little bit pricey, pretty expensive, but it was an investment, and I love it. It holds 32 paints in 32 wells. This just has 8 wells. Here we can see 2 or 4 smaller ones and 4 larger ones. I just wanted to get this as kind of an additional small palette to set alongside my other palette. Sometimes I have extra colors, specialty colors that I don't keep on my main palette. There's not really room for them, and so I wanted another place to keep some specialty colors. Also called convenience colors. They're not pure pigment colors and they're not my common colors, but I just wanted a place to put those colors out. And I use tube paint, so I'll take a little bit of my tube paint, just squeeze it into a corner, let it dry, and then I'll be able to use it whenever I want to. And this was very affordable. This was about $10 on Amazon right now for this 7-inch by 7-inch porcelain palette. I think that's a great value. So if you're just trying out porcelain for the first time, because you haven't used a porcelain palette, I would recommend trying something like this. Very affordable. Why not give it a try? And then if you really like it, you could upsize to some larger palettes eventually as well, or just buy several of these. So there you go. My porcelain palette. Purchased off Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. You can take a look at it yourself. Very affordable. Happy with the packaging. This is my first look at it. And I will, I'm going to put it into use right away. I've got some painting I want to do. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.